guys, it's your boy Two Wheel Tolls 24, and today we are headed to a fairly big bike car meet over here at a local high school. As far as bikes, it should be probably the biggest one of the year so far. They're going to have like awards for, you know, different styles, different size bikes, things like that. So this should be pretty neat. It actually started at 9. I'm 45 minutes late, but I'm not entering the bike in the competition or anything like that. So I'm just going to hang out with some friends, walk around, check out everything as far as the cars, the bikes. I've come to this the last couple of years, and it's put together really well, so we'll see. There's some people over there, so say it's a little early, but I think if you wanted to put your bike in the competition part of it, you had to be here at 9, maybe. Hell, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Probably not. No, I gotta go over. Yeah, there's quite a few. There's Justice. Where's everybody parking at, do you know? Check out the cars. There's Ash. It's a nice big wheel. Everybody's parking at, especially the sport bikes.
Show it?
Nah.
No. They have a sport bike entry.
Do they?
Manny will be here in a minute.
Who?
Manny.
Oh, is he? They'll probably kick his ass out of here. No, I'm just playing. I don't know. No, it's the one I had.
An import.
Oh, it's MV Augusta.
Something.
Yeah.
He said it was some European import thing. It belongs to the guy in the cowboy hat walking this way.
It belongs to him.
Yep.
Nice.
He's a talker. He won't shut up. I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to sit here all day long because he's not gonna shut up.
You didn't drive?
I didn't. I was going to, but I didn't. I was like, we're just down the street. I'll just hop on a ride. And these nice people behind us with the trike, she drove the pickup truck and brought a bunch of chairs. She goes, here, you guys can have a chair to sit in. I'm
Nice.
like, oh, you're just the sweetest person.
She said, I was hoping to have the curb up there to sit on. And
Yeah, because he told us to park up there. And then we went up there, and one of the veteran guys said, this is just where they're parking some veterans that rode. So I was like, oh, you need to tell your buddy up here at the check-in. Because he's telling everybody to park over there.
Is this the row for the people entering?
4-0 discount. I had to take the back brake off. Yeah. Yeah, and I already put yeah. I might put the other front one on. I have one front right now. But once I do go.
It's green. It looks black until you get right up on it. It's got some real dark green stuff. It's flaky. It looks black.
That's cool. I figured it was coming like
Oh, yeah.
Let me know.
California, they've been trying to shut down because all the housing development is going around. My brother raised on Mississippi.
I'm sitting down away with Bakersfield.
They built these homes all around California. Friday, Saturday night races, right? And it says the only thing that's keeping it steady is the grandfather clause fighting there saying he wants this to be pounded here for like 60 plus, 70 plus years. There's no way we're moving.
That makes me mad. People buy land around the racetrack. They've been there for 50 years. And then they won't complain about North when they was there when you built. So, the developer to build condominium. Well, now, the city of Atlanta down there says that the ground's not suitable because it's not stable enough for condos. There's not enough water. There's not enough water and sewage, so they're talking about opening the ground. But I'm trying to think what that speedway is because they always had the lake bottle series and all the young kids were starting. That's where Kevin Harvick and all of them started.
Who's the guy we got our coach from? Larry Hill. He started the drag race. With the boys down here in Nicholasville down at the drag.
The wheels on
drag
it.
strip in the industry. And I've got all pictures of his cars. I got all these pictures and autographs he gave me with me for the RV. This thing was stacked. All the ones that started out over here in Kentucky. We were coming back when they were young. And the girls started getting into it more and more, I mean, I grew up with Shirley Modowney and all that shit. That's my era.
I worked at Big Spin my whole life. I've met Willie Murphy, Montana, Big Daddy, Don Garland.
Yeah.
Well, my teenage son is 17, and last year, Big Daddy was Graham Hartman. National ceremony for the hot rod.
Yeah.
The Raleigh Park National. He took Bill and you need to go see that. He said, 4 years old. He said, I'll see you.
Goals, people, goals. I will own one of these days.
So, where you going, bro?
That is beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Camo interior on that black.
Gee whiz.
Oh, you ordered it with all the paint? I kind of like it better like that.
Lord, look at the tires. Jeez. What are you doing? Best shot of the day right. Hey, you want to see something sick? Look at these rotors. Are those carbon fiber?
Oh wait.
It's carbon fiber, I think.
Yeah.
How do you make carbon fiber rotors? Wasn't that like here? Here's another one. Oh, this boy's a little junk in the trunk. Come on.
You went to
Nice.
Pistons in the park, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, I went to Pistons too. I always come to this one, but what about the last 4 years now, I think? Four,
that's
maybe.
nice.
Yeah, I always see you at
Jeez.